Odin! Odin! Alag, alag, no!
Ang tuming aran to, Kuya Webster.
Odin,
Tuman. Pati aman, ingaran nyo taso.
Odin!
Sarag kumpuyo kan.
So,
Odin.
ay alag, paano nakit-kit ka? Igunutak ng antilid. Alag,
Ah. Balag, Odin.
ay, mansusumbalara mo di anti.
Good morning, Antoinette. Wow, you look so sexy today.
Siyempre, thank you. Alang ba si kay sexy? Nuniman ka ni?
Oh, a little bit, Auntie. You have to excuse me, Auntie. You just go ahead and continue your Zumba dancing.
Bukol ko lang. Ang kapulay ba? Fantastic to ya. Yari-yarim ko lang. Tutan di mo? Kapoy. Naksawang kang tampol. Yari-yar. Jason! Dalang magano?
Kini,
Dalang magano? Tay video mo tay post ko on Facebook. Pinanunong na maritis.
pati itang videoan.
Abram na!
Ay niya nga.
Zumba dancing is quite tiring. But Wab, look at Auntie Leds. She's still so strong at her age. I wonder what's her secret.
Tua, nansaman nira makmaksil, singara agaw tatakken.
When I grow old, I want to be just like her.
Ya, singadwag yon sasayaw.
Antay baga mo, mister.
Ay, merendala ante, sukang ko. Gala, gala.
You know, Auntie Led, when I grow old,
Old.
I mean, when I become a senior,
Senyor.
you know what I mean, Auntie. I mean, 'cause look at you. I want to be just like you. You're still so strong and healthy, and you don't look your age at all. I mean, what's your secret?
Supplements. 5-in-1 kapsula ba ya?
Supplements?
5-in-1 capsule? Agi, singanido maita na.
Of course. It helps you to protect from hypertension, lung disease, cancer, heart disease, and viral infection.
PAU D ARCO Capsule.
Bakit ititiba ka? Walay kalapate.
Antay liman English, may.
Oh, I want that, Auntie. So this is the reason why you're so young looking.
Ang samit si auntie
Tua. Tanak na alkan iron sayaw.
Auntie, let's go over there and let's talk more about your supplements.
Okay, sure. Aha.
Wala pa sabi kuya. Bomba! Bombang! Bombang! Si barkada bastiral. Uli radar tuya mo. O dyan lang mo. Hello kuya.
O dyan kayo manaya. Tamila ka lang naman si kami. Taman rice kami at Eastern. Boom boom.
Hindi la. Paano dalang kila mo ito din leaks? Pag nangyari may motor gamit ko.
Turay. Bali-bali. Pamangaw kasi.
Gawa ng intong itan.
Pati intong.
May kaiba mi dyan abong. Akatamad rating. Insalutong tampulontan.
Guwapo ah. At ang libayas mo, Jason.
Oh, Intong, can you please bring us a pitcher of water?
On, madam.
So, Auntie, you mean to say you've been using PAU D ARCO for quite some time now?
Yes, am I. Do you want?
Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo nakailangan pang magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang ibigin.
May tanong yun, ma'am. Who is him, Gemma?
Oh, Intong, meet Auntie Pulakit. Do you recognize her?
Vlogger, vlogger.
Ay, di man, pasensya, kurakabat. Ano na, ni, tas palang kung may sisinupon kong plato.
He's been our helper for years now, Auntie.
Guwapo. Bakulini. Ay, ang takla, Gemma.
Grabe intong. Gulong-gulong ya bike siyang pabayos ng tumbukay.
Take care, Auntie! Thanks for the trade!
Galalain tong, kresta ka. Ang gano di man kalamanaya mo dabong tabagkuli-kuli ka ng si Jason. Galala.
Ay, ate kula no mother. Ay, where is Ermat?
Oh, she went home, Jason.
Ha? Paano to ako eh?
It's okay. She's with Intong. Don't you worry. Intong's a nice guy.
Akin kay ba din tong? Nya kartura? Akin, dala ba inalaguro eh?
You'll be staying here with us and will be working for us in the next few days in exchange with Intong.
Eh, akin pati siya adamay.
Mansinop ka la.
Wala ay motor mo intang! Bum 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 bum. Si tumbok to balit eh.
na